Okay, let's talk about difference of squares now. So difference of squares is different than a perfect square trinomial because you're not squaring the same thing. They're actually different. 5x plus 7 is not the same as 5x minus 7. They are different. So, however, we're still going to get squares. So let's see what happens when we get the box method going. Draw a box. And then we're gonna put 5x plus 7 on the top, and how about 5x minus 7 on the side? And then let's see what we get. So I see 5 times 5, which is 25, and then x times x, which is x squared. And then 5 times 7 is 35x. And then I see another 5, but times a negative 7, so I get negative 35x. And then positive 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. Now, when I go back and I combine like terms like I normally do, there's something unique that happens there. Well, 35 minus 35 is 0, and 0 times x is 0. So we end up with no middle term when we have difference of squares, which is what makes difference of squares so unique. So our answer is actually 25x squared minus 49. They are two squares being subtracted from one another, which is why it is called a difference of squares. Go ahead and try it on your own.